So I think there's a lot of light about book blocking on Amazon KDP because I tried watching a lot of video and I discovered people have been telling all sort of stuff because they try to tell you that your title is too long. That is why your book is getting blocked. Well, let's see this. Let's just go straight to Amazon.com because it's very important we do some practical test about this. And for example, you are searching for a journal. Let's see, journal. We're going to see what journal is all about and see, because people talk about long title because I've seen a lot of stuff. Look at this title: Long Spiral Journal Notebook for Women and Men, 140 pages, colored rule art covers and stuff. This is very, very long. For those guys who want to do journal, you can discover these titles are so long. All these are so long. Does that lead to your book being blocked? Because that is the first question I want to ask. So it's not your title that gets your book blocked. It is simply Amazon first-hand issues, because all this were not happening lately. Okay, let's even search something because it's better. It's even practical. Let's search for Amazon KDP new rules and see if there's any update and see what we have. If there's content guidelines, was it updated? You can see from here, the only thing I think is AI intelligence when it comes to that. The same rules have been there. Artificial intelligence, the only thing that came up last year was AI generated, AI assisted. But I think this is their major concern, because poor customer experience has become their major concern, because any small thing you hear, your book might cause a disappointing customer experience. This has been their general notion or their general message for book being blocked. So that is why I said it is not your title that caused your account to be your book to be blocked. It is not your title. It is Amazon bot that caused it. So this is the first lie. Then another thing there is your book page is too small. I've seen a lot of people trying to tell you it's because your book page, whether you like it, you make 50 pages, you make 100 pages, book that will be blocked by Amazon bot will get blocked. The first question I would think we should ask ourselves again is, what is the page? Okay, let's leave this. Let's come here and say, what is the page number for Amazon KDP? Let's see what we have there and see. Look at the minimum page count is 24 pages. 24 pages. That means if you do your Google Doc, let's say you the size of your, not the size, the page count of your ebook is up to 24. You can use it for paperback and Amazon is going to accept it. So your book page is not your book page number. Let me use that. Your book page number is not the issues. It is Amazon fault. Then another one I want to check here is this one. Your formatting is poor. It might be true at this case, but you know what formatting is, right? Let me show you what formatting is. Let's just go here and say doc. I want to use doc.new. I want to create a new document. Let's say you come here now, you're trying to create a new document and trying to start writing. Formatting is the look of your book, the look of your content. As you write like this, how does it look? Does it look bold? Does it use italic, underlined? Or are you using Times New Roman, or you are using impact? You already know that it's better you use Times New Roman because this is the general font. Acceptable general font is Times New Roman, and at least your font size should be up to 12. Yes, or if you want to use 12, 13, this is good. But if you want to use for bigger fonts, you can decide to go with 16. But I think sticking with 12, 13, 14 is the best thing you want to do. But if you've done this and your book get blocked, the question is it now your fault? Because if you have justified your work instead, if you make this as 1.5, why will your book get blocked again? So sometimes it's not your formatting, it is the Amazon bot. That is just it. Then we see another one is you didn't use quality images. What are quality images? Images that are not pixelated. Let's say we come here, we come straight to element, we're searching for a man, and just come here and type man. I want to see the image of man. Let's say you see this one here and you decide to use this. This image is so cool. this image is so cool. If you use it for your book from Canva, you already know Canva Pro. We can use some of the elements here without being scared. I've seen a lot of people say my account was terminated because of Canva element or Canva image. Well, the truth is we have license to use Canva Pro for free. But if you're only getting, I don't really know, but I've not experienced this at all. But let's stick with why we are in this tutorial. So they say you didn't use quality image. What if you have used this and you still get that their general message, this might lead to a disappointing customer experience? What do you now do? It might not be your image, so it's not your fault. It's still what Amazon bot issues. Then another one here is you should not use 7 back-end keywords. Whether you use 7 back-end keyword or you don't use 7 back-end keywords, the book that will be blocked will be blocked. It's just Amazon stupidity. I'm trying to say stupidity because their boss has been very, very stupid as of the 3rd month of this year. Then another one is you used AI. Yes, you used AI to write your book. I think it's plural. You used AI to write your book. What are we using to write our book? Everyone is writing. AI is a trained system that can help you manipulate your book. That is even better than your idea, because for those guys who are using chat.openai, you're using Gemini, or you're using Cloud, you're using WhatsApp, Llama AI, anything you are using, whatever be the case, it's AI. It's very smart. You can tell AI to write anything for you, and it's going to write and say, write what is a noun. Imagine you want to write a part of speech. What is a noun? Definitely is going to tell you what a noun is according to Google. Now you can say a noun is a word that names a person, place, or things or idea. If you define this to anyone, definitely they're going to accept it, because you can see he has even made better. It has even further emphasized and try to tell you common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable and uncountable noun. You can say expand further, and you keep on writing and you say expand further. So are you going to now say it's because you used AI on your book, that is why it's no? You can see it's trying to see expand further, and when you put this as a book, it's educational. Yes, it's educative. I don't know the best word to use. People are learning from this. This is not deceptive. This is true about what a noun is. So someone telling you it's because you used AI to write your book, but I already know Amazon know how to use some kind of word. ChatGPT know how to use some kind of word like tapestry, delve into, and all this kind of jargons you keep on repeating. You can tell it, I don't like all this your repeated word, get it off. Or better still, you can use Quillbot to reduce it. Yes, because when you come to quillbot.com, you can use Quillbot. Let me just show you something about Quillbot, because I think this is very important. Check my channel on how to get Quillbot and enjoy the benefit of Quillbot. Let's say what I do is, if I discover they have too much repeated big language, I just change it to simple and I paste my text, and it change every big grammar there to a simple grammar as well. So AI is not the reason your book is getting blocked, in case anyone is telling you that. Then finally, on the last two, okay, what do you do if blocking continues? In case you have other lies they've told you about book blocking, you can drop that in the comment section. But I want you to be rest assured that you are doing your best. Sometimes it's not your fault. But if you really want to go into Amazon guidelines, I advise you come here and read through everything that it's here on Amazon guideline. Read what they tell about the 7 backend, offensive content, poor customer experience, public domain, report violation, and all that. You can just check all this, all their legal content guidelines. You can read all this and see, so that you are well groomed about the business you are doing, which is called Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So what do you do if your book is getting blocked continuously? My advice I've always given is create a new KDP account. If you fear you don't know how to create a KDP account, please right now just look at the description section. There is a link about what you should know about multiple KDP accounts and how to create a new account without adding payment method. So I want you to go there and watch that, because I've made countless videos on book blocking. You can still watch that and get more idea. But if you're still confused and you want to send me a DM on how to go about your account, or you want to ask some question, here is my link. Ensure you send me a DM and I can call you on WhatsApp. Then we talk one-on-one. But first, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ensure you like this video. Ensure you share to your friend and drop the best comment. Then we can talk on WhatsApp. Then if you want a Canva Pro account as well, you can send me a DM so that you can enjoy the benefit which I'm enjoying by using any of all this, you can see this is a Canva Pro. I can decide to use it if I want by just clicking on it, and you can see I can drag, I can expand and use it for my designs. So thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Don't be scared. If you're receiving the general message your book might lead to disappointing customer experience, just know that's Amazon bot. But any other message different from that, that is your fault. So thank you for watching and thank you for your time.